December 21st. I am Vicky.
I'm Ritaro.
I'm Hamo. And this is Simon Says.
I am so happy to see all of you enjoying the Rutherford house and baking cookies. We also learned about the history of Rutherford and his family, and that is very meaningful for us.
Congratulations to last week's winner. Roy was the first person to send me a picture of himself in this place, Tory Building. Runner-up prizes were given to Roman and Sola. Congratulations. Now, I did notice that some of you just sent me the name of the place. Here's a pro tip. When you're doing something, follow the instructions. So maybe your instructor gives you written instructions, or they give you oral instructions. They tell you what to do. There are clues in there for how to do the activity or the assignment. Or play the Simon Says game. Tune in next week. We will have some more fun planned for you. Can you believe it's week 4 already? This term is going by so quickly. Our theme this week is active living. So even though Edmonton is cold and snowy in the winter, it's still really important to stay active, whether it's inside or outside. One of my favorite things to do during the winter and all year long is to go for long walks. Whenever I can, I walk from my home in the university area to Enterprise Square. Here are some pictures that I took last week. So I want to hear this week, what do you like to do? At workshops, come tell me. What are your favorite activities?
Building snowman and snowball fight!
Yay! My favorite winter activities are ice hockey and ski.
I like Korean because I can try in Japan.
I like skating because it's a lot of fun.
I like snowboarding because it's the most popular activity in Ukraine.
Here's what's happening in our workshops this week. On Monday, we're going to practice error correction, so looking for sentence fragments and spelling mistakes. On Tuesday, we're going to practice our listening by listening to songs and finding the words that are missing in the lyrics. On Wednesday, we have a guest speaker from Parks Canada. They're going to teach us how to safely participate in winter activities outside. Now they're going to be on Zoom and I'm going to be in the workshop. So you can choose. You can either come to the workshop or you can join through the Zoom link. On Thursday at Conversation Club, we're going to talk about ways we can be active. And there might even be a game of charades.
This Friday, we are going to have an adventure on the main campus. This is a good opportunity for you because you will have a chance to walk through all the main buildings. And most importantly, there will be a prize for the winner's team. I will send out the email on Tuesday, and remember to sign up.
Hello everyone! Do you like winter sports? If you do, you can try to come skiing at Snow Valley. It is a local ski hill that offers rental skis and snowboard, and if you come here even in the evenings, you can really enjoy some winter time in Edmonton.
And this was
Simon Says!